Hi, my name is Emily Liu. I am the Senior Web and Digital Accessibility Coordinator at MnDOT. In this tutorial video, we're going to talk about Adobe Acrobat PDF accessibility, and we're going to focus on document property. And document property is required in the WCAG Success Criteria 2.4.2. The document title, it is required. But then oftentimes, I see people failed on this WCAG requirement as a level single A requirement. When you scan for accessibility and look under the document categories, you can see right here in my example document, it shows this title failed. And that is oftentimes confusing because indeed, you have the document title, but it still shows as failed. I'm going to show you how to correct that. And I'm going to show you how to do that in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Pro, please watch my other video tutorial that there is a way to correct that with a free online tool. So I'll show you that in a separate video. Okay, so let's begin. So the reason why when you check under File, Property, and you see there's a title for PDF accessibility, but it still shows failed, because that file name, the file name is pdf-practice.pdf. It's showing here as the title. And that's because the default is set to document or the file name, which is not descriptive. So therefore, we need to change that. We need to make sure it's showing the correct title for the file, not the file name. So go under Initial View tab and under Window Options Show, and you can see the default is showing file name. We want to change that to Document Title and click OK. And when you run the checker again, it says pass. Now, I want to mention just a few things about the document property. So under description, you had title, author, subject, keyword. So even though in WCAG criteria, I only require the title field, we are a lot of time we're doing this because we're posting this document online. I would highly recommend that you put in the keyword field, because you will make this document not only more accessible, but it's also going to be SEO friendly, search engine friendly, because then you will have the proper keywords. When people trying to search for this document online, it will help them find your document. So you want to make sure you have title, author, I put in my name, subject, keyword, and just separate out each keyword with a comment. So I have Adobe Acrobat, Pro, PDF, accessibility, tape, etc. All right, and one more thing is under the Advanced tab, there's the language field, and this drop-down menu, you can select different languages. Now, this usually are coming from the source file. So whatever your source file from, in this case, I have it in Microsoft Word, and coming from Word, the language is set to default English, and therefore it transfer into the Adobe Acrobat as English. But if you're creating the document in a different language, you want to make sure you come here and then you want to double check on that language drop down, and it's showing the appropriate language for that document. Okay, so now That's how you can correct the title error by going to File, Property, and under Initial View, and make sure that Show Document Title is selected. Thank you.